I'm in the woods hunting for mushrooms. Looks like some of the tops are chewed off here. That's okay, still good. Yeah, I came out in the woods where I usually come every year for about the last 9-10 years. So, keep going. Another nice one. Still looking around in this different area. They're usually around here. They could be underwear under this green, anywhere under here, somewhere. Really looks cleaned out in here a lot. Maybe somebody came already and picked them all. Okay, this is how I've seen it done. Flour, salt, and pepper. Roll it in some flour. A little butter in the pan. Some people like them plain. I do too. But this is a different way. Put a little breading on there. Melt it down. sure they're cooked all the way. Alright. I'll show you these when they're done. Wish I had more. They're very scarce this year. It looked like I might have been a little late. With this cold weather, it was hard to tell. I'm going to ask Google how much these would be a pound. Okay, Google, how much is morel mushrooms a pound?
On the website foodnetwork.com, they say morels are a spring mushroom that can usually be found between the months of March and May. Because of this very short growing period, they can be quite expensive when they are in season, costing upward of $20 per pound. I also found an answer to this question. How much does a pound of morel mushrooms weigh? Do you want to hear it?
No.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to take them off. You look done. Okay, I'm going to taste it now. I got them here. They're trying it back there. It says delicious. But here we go. Nice crunch.
Outrageously delicious. They only come out in May. Yeah.
Mmm.
This guy that was here, Mark, earlier with that lady and that younger girl when you left.
Delicious.
Oh man, they're addictive.
I'm meant to go find some more.
I'm looking them